inverse, argand plane, and second exercise not in syllabus. Only finding modulus is in syllabus from second exercise. Right, beta? Now in the third exercise, we have quadratic equations. So quadratic equation is what? See, quadratic equations. We have a standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For finding the value of x, we have a formula minus plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? So when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, other than this case we have solved earlier in 9th or 10th class where we have done this topic quadratic equation, finding the values of or roots of quadratic equation. There we have done all the cases when it is greater than 0, when it is equal to 0, but when this is less than 0, we say that no real root, right? उस सिचुएशन में हमने ये बोला था कि we don't have real root अगर ये less than 0. Less than 0 का मतलब क्या हुआ? ये नेगेटिव हो गया बेटा. So इस सिचुएशन में हम क्या करेंगे? देखो, आपको मालूम है if this value is negative, अगर ये नेगेटिव आती है तो what we have to write बेटा? This is iota we have to write. Suppose b square minus 4ac after simplification is giving minus root minus 5. So it become root of minus 5. So finally we write root 5 iota. This way we have to write and then solve the question further better. Right? So if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so in complex analysis, complex number, we have a solution, but that is known as imaginary solution. So that's why we said earlier classes better in 9th or 10th, I think you have done this quadratic equation. There we have done when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we don't have real roots. ठीक है, no real root. हाँ, imaginary roots बोलेंगे अब यहाँ पे लास्ट ईयर तक आपने पढ़ा है no real root, so no further solution. But now we have complex roots or we can say imaginary root and we have a further solution for this in this topic बेटा, complex number. ठीक है, और अगर इस टाइप की सिचुएशन आती है जैसे इन्होंने एग्जांपल 9 में दिया है बेटा, in example 9 they are saying x square plus 2 equal to 0, find the value of x. So we can write x square equal to minus 2. So according to normal process beta, this is x equal to plus minus root of minus 2. And we know how to write root of minus 2 and plus minus this become root 2 iota. This is my answer. And in normal algebra, we don't have the factors of this. We don't have factors of this. But now we can write the factors of this as a square plus b square. We can write it like a plus b iota into a minus b iota. After simplification, you will get a square plus b square. So a square plus b square के भी फैक्टर है हमारे पास इन कॉम्प्लेक्स अलजेब्रा. ठीक है, तो सपोज करो आपको इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. We can write x square plus 2 as x plus root 2 iota into x minus root 2 iota, and this is equal to 0. So if we equate this equal to 0, this will give you minus root 2 iota and this will give you plus root 2 iota. And finally we have x equal to plus minus root 2 iota. ठीक है बेटा? So this way you can find out the solution of each and every quadratic equation. Suppose I am taking example number 11. See, example number 11 is root 5 x square plus x plus root 5 is equal to 0. Now we have a formula of finding the value of x in a quadratic equation. So in this formula, x equal to minus b. What is the value of b in this question, beta?
1.
1.
Right.
And with negative sign, minus 1 plus minus root of b square. Yani 1 ka square is 1. Minus 4ac, which is 4 into
20.
root 5 into root 5. Divided by 2a, 2 into root 5. Now simplify it is minus 1 plus minus root of 1 minus 20 divided by 2 root 5. Now next is minus 1 plus minus root of minus 19 upon 2 root 5. And it is minus 1 plus minus root, इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ root 19 iota divided by 2 root 5. So finally we have answer minus 1 upon 2 root 5 plus minus root 19 upon 2 root 5 iota. ठीक है, normally because this is the value of x, so we can leave here also और simplify भी कर सकते हो रेस्ट में, but आप यहाँ पे छोड़ सकते हो आंसर इसका, ठीक है. But when they are asking answer in a complex form, then you have to write the standard form. But here you can leave the answer in this form. Yes, anyone?
So why did you write in the solution of x square plus 2 is equal to 0? Why did you write plus minus under root minus 2?
Where beta? Here beta?
Yes, sir.
X square plus 2 are equal to 0. This is my question. And I have written x square equal to minus 2 first. This is the process beta. We shift the constant term to the right hand side. And then
Yes,
we
sir.
are shifting the square. If we shift the square, that makes the other side in terms of root beta.
So why did we put plus minus under root minus 2?
Because for quadratic equation, we have two solutions. For cubic equation, we have three solutions. So जब भी हम इस तरीके की सॉल्व करते हैं बेटा, ये तो आपने पढ़ाई है, अगर -4 इक्वल टू 0 है नॉर्मल अलजेब्रा में, so x square equal to 4, but when we solve it, we write x square x equal to plus minus 2, because this equation is verified by plus 2 also and minus 2 also. That's why we say that quadratic equation has two roots. आप उसको मेरे को लगता है उससे रिलेट कर रहे हो when I have asked the value of root 16, right?
No, sir, I got it.
Okay, चलो.
Sir,
हाँ जी बेटा बोलो. This minus 1 beta. Beta, this is a formula. Minus b. So coefficient of x is positive b, but formula says it is minus b. Right? This is formula beta. And I think in 9th
Sir.
or 10th, you have done the derivation of this also. In 9th or 10th.
Sir,
I
in
think.
10th.
10th beta. You have done the derivation of this formula. हाँ बेटा कोई बोल रहा था sir. Who is this?
Sir, Priya Mishra present.
Shreya Mishra present. 1 second. आप लेट आए हो बेटा?
Sir, unmute नहीं हो रहा था.
Okay, okay. तो आप शुरू से इसका मतलब क्लास में, right?
Yes, sir.
Shreya Mishra. Done beta, done. Anyone else who joined late beta? Anyone? Bolo beta, if someone has joined late, please tell me. Okay, chalo, no one is. Is this clear beta? This method is clear to all of you or not beta? Bolo beta?
Yes,
Is
sir.
this
Yes.
method is clear to all of you? Now, mark karo question number beta pehle. Question number 1. Question number 4. Question number 6. Question number 8, 9 and 10. I've given you 6 questions. Solve. I will ask the one by one. Okay? Start solving beta in your notebook and check your answer. Start solving. Start solving this question. I'm going to ask one by one by taking the name. Beta page number 109 of NCERT. First question done, beta. First question.
Yes, sir.
First done. Okay. And check your answer, beta, from NCERT. If somebody is not having a NCERT right now, beta, please tell me. I'll write the questions. Is there anyone, beta? But you all have to try this question because I'm going to ask you question and I'll ask to solve the question on screen. Remember this thing. Your internal assessment has been started, beta. Pragya and Galaxy has left the meeting. Okay, one by one I'm going to ask beta. Question number 4 and Vani, are you there beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to solve. I'm showing you a whiteboard. You have to solve question number 4 on that whiteboard. Wait a second. Is this visible beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you writing now?
Sir, I was writing, but it is saying that
Okay. 1 second. Other participant can edit. Okay. Now. Now start beta.
sir, it is loading.
Okay. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Yes, very good.
Sir, done.
Very good. But लेकिन एक step और बचा है बेटा अभी. Solve it. One more step is required. 1/2. Negative
Sir,
negative cancel. First part. हाँ. So it is 1/2 minus plus. The plus minus divided by -2 become minus plus. So you
okay,
have
sir.
to write 1/2 minus plus √7 iota by 2. Okay, this is the way to write the answer, and you will find this kind of question 100% in MCQ beta, because maximum students will write it half plus minus √7 iota. But after dividing by -2, plus minus become minus plus. Remember this thing. If minus plus sign is not there, then the minus plus sign wala option is not there. So you have to select plus minus in MCQ beta. Right beta?
सर
Very good.
इस
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन में ना -1
Which one?
मल्टीप्लाई सर इस क्वेश्चन में -1 मल्टीप्लाई करके बोथ द साइड्स, तो सर
हाँ, तो
डिनोमिनेटर में
ठीक है.
2 आ रहा है
आंसर
सर.
तो यही आएगा बेटा. आंसर आपका लगा रहा है?
हाँ, तो डिनोमिनेटर में सिर्फ 2 आ रहा है.
नहीं, आंसर फाइनल आंसर क्या आ रहा है आपका, ये बताओ. आंसर इज सेम और
सर आ रहा है
यहाँ भी आ रहा है.
सर
आपका नेगेटिव 2 नहीं आ रहा ना बेटा?
1/2 प्लस माइनस
हाँ,
√7 आयोटा बाय 2.
2. करेक्ट है. मैं बोल रहा था जिस तरीके से बच्चे ने यहाँ सॉल्व किया है ना बेटा, उस तरीके से यू हैव टू शो दिस प्लस माइनस डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस साइन विल गिव यू माइनस प्लस, बिकॉज वानी का जो प्रेजेंटेशन था बेटा वो इस टाइप से था. आपने क्या किया, नेगेटिव को पहले एडजस्ट कर दिया इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. राइट, कई बार क्वेश्चन में लिखा था विदाउट चेंजिंग इन द क्वेश्चन सॉल्व द गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. तब क्या करोगे, then you are not allowed to multiply by -1 both side. अगर मैं इस क्वेश्चन को दूंगा तो मैं जानबूझ के लाइन लिखूंगा विदाउट चेंजिंग द क्वेश्चन. find the value of x. And just to check that how many students will write plus minus when divided by minus sign, माइनस प्लस बन जाता है, इस तरीके से कौन बच्चा लिखता है? दिस आई हैव टू चेक बेटा. उसी के पर्पज से मैं इस क्वेश्चन में स्ट्रिक्टली लिखूंगा, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू चेंज द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, ओके. नेक्स्ट बेटा, वंशिका इज देयर बेटा. वंशिका,
Yes, sir.
वंशिका, एंड यू विल ट्राई क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बेटा. इसको रब करो, क्लियर करो. कैसे होता है क्लियर भाई? क्लियर करो या नेक्स्ट शीट पे आगे बढ़ा दो इसे. Vanshika, is this visible na beta? Board is visible to you and accessible for you?
Yes, sir, but I'm trying to write, but it's not allowing.
It is not aligned.
Yes, sir, I'm writing, but it's not visible.
Okay, let me check.
सर मुझे ब्लैक स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है.
आपको व्हाइट बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा बेटा?
नहीं सर.
व्हाइट बोर्ड दिख रहा है, उस पर कुछ दिख नहीं रहा.
अच्छा, किसी बच्चे ने कुछ लिखा नहीं ना बेटा अभी? मेरे लिए भी नया एक्सपीरियंस है बेटा. आई एम ट्राइंग. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट Vani now. Oh, sorry, Vanshika. Now try to write. I think now line is visible.
Sir, it's not showing.
Not showing.
No,
It
sir.
is showing your connection is weak on my screen.
Yes,
Achha,
sir.
achha.
I'm green too.
So my connection is weak बेटा. This is showing.
Yes, sir.
सर मेरे में तो आ रहा है कि आस्क योर ओनर टू ग्रांट यू परमिशन.
हाँ वो तो है,
Yes,
लेकिन
sir.
फिर मैंने अभी वो परमिशन डिनाई किया है. एंड आई मेड वंशिका एज प्रेजेंटर सो दैट शी कैन राइट ऑन दिस बोर्ड. वंशिका एक बार और ट्राई करोगे बेटा देखने एक बार? अदरवाइज कुछ और तरीका निकालेंगे फिर, या आप में से कोई मुझे गाइड करेगा हाउ आई कैन यूज दिस काइंड ऑफ बोर्ड.
सर एक बार रिफ्रेश कर लो, शायद तब हो जाए.
अच्छा, रिफ्रेश कर देता हूँ. 1 सेकेंड. रिफ्रेश.
It's showing read only mode.
अच्छा, रीड ओनली मोड. तो इट मींस आई हैव टू मेक इट एडिटेबल फॉर ऑल.
Yes, sir.
ओके, 1 सेकेंड बेटा. वंशिका आप ट्राई करना बेटा एक बार. नहीं हो रहा वंशिका? Who's able to write on this sheet beta? Anyone?
Sir, I am getting all the
Come here.
options.
You are getting all the options. So start, beta.
No, I am getting options, but
Sir, I'm
I'm
getting
not
the
able
options, but
to.
it's not allowing.
Not allowing.
Yes, sir, it's not updating. I think it's an internet problem.
Okay, okay, okay. चलो फिर हम back to normal way आ जाते हैं. When it is not allowing, एक्चुअली नॉर्मल टाइम ना जब नॉर्मल टीचिंग होती थी तो मैं बच्चों